fucking evil, I will never fucking frown. Bitch, I don't give a shit, I will kill you right now. All I think about is murder, got that motherfucking burner right now. In the back, kill you in the fucking set. Drinking blood is so nice, fill my cup up with some ice. Made my tears from my victims, I take pride in my collection. I take pride in my collection. I take pride in my collection.
That's not gonna work. Find something wrong. You've been with my shit just way too long. You think it's time that I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. Everyone that I know.
Crevice is better.